Ready, start. The state government thereafter issued a government order dated 6/9/2006 which relates to all the animal slaughterhouses owned by urban local bodies in the state of UP. By the said government order, license was to be granted for a minimum period of 5 years and maximum period of 10 years full stop. Certain other conditions relating to transparency in granting the license by public auction as well as obtaining the mandatory permission from the state pollution control board had also been mentioned full stop. The said policy decision was later amended by the state government to the extent that the term of license mentioned in the said government order would be amended as minimum period of 5 years and maximum period of 20 years full stop. The other terms of the state said government order were remain the same full stop. By another notification dated 29/9/2009, the constitution of WID Evaluation Committee was notified in terms of the said government order which consisted of the Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner as chairman and 6 other members full stop. It may be relevant to mention here that during the intervening period, a contempt petition was filed before the apex court for implementation of its directions issued in the judgment and order dated 7/12/2006 full stop. In the said proceedings, the principal secretary of the government of UP submitted a proposal of modern slaughterhouse as also the status report was placed by the Nagar Nigam Meerut before the Supreme Court mentioning that land has been acquired for establishment of a modern slaughterhouse full stop. After considering the report of the Nagar Nigam Meerut as well as affidavit of the principal secretary, the contempt notice was discharged on 23/10/2009 full stop para. In compliance of the directions of the apex court for construction of modern slaughterhouse as well as the policy decision taken by the state government as expert consultant firm was appointed for making the complete project report of slaughterhouse in district Meerut on 11/1/2010. Further decision was taken by the state government to the effect that the board of the Nagar Nigam Meerut shall pass resolution for the construction of modern slaughterhouse which should be strictly in accordance with the UP Municipal Corporation Act, and the same was to be informed to the cabinet of ministers of the state government, and after the approval by the cabinet the Nagar Nigam was to publish the advertisement for request for qualification and request for proposal full stop. After completing the formalities and having appointed the expert consultant and getting its report, the Nagar Nigam Meerut published an advertisement notice on 1/7/2010 inviting tenders of request for qualification for establishment of a new modern slaughter house in district Meerut full stop. In the said advertisement, the estimated cost of the project was shown as rupees 100 crore and the project was to be implemented within 24 months full stop. The pre-application conference was to take place on 6/7/2010 and the last date of application was 13/7/2010 at the office of Municipal Commissioner Meerut full stop. In response to the same, 3 applications were received which included the petitioner full stop.